Now see students, binary number to octal number conversion. Split the given binary number into groups. Contain 3 binary bits. 3 binary bits it will contain. Split number from the right. From the right you have to split the number. If either one or two numbers are left, suppose if either one or two numbers are left, then add as many zeros to make it 3-digit number. What you have to do? You have to make 3-digit number. Suppose your number is left, one or two number are less. So what you have to do? You have to add zeros in that. Okay. Now see, we will convert one number. I will show you. Convert binary number. Binary number. See, 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 base 2 its octal equivalent. You have to convert this number. Now see students, we will make the groups. First of all, of this number we will make group. Now see here, 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1. Now see here the last group, is a 2-digit number, add a 0 in it to make it a 3-digit number. Okay. Now see here the last group is a 2-digit number. See, this is you are looking is 2-digit number. What you have to do? You have to add in it 0. How you will do? See this. Now 0 1 1. This is first group. Then 1 1 0. Then 0 1 1. Afterwards 0 0 1. How many digits are there in each group? 3 digits are there. Here 1 digits are less, so we have add here 0. Okay. Now see here. Now what you have to do? Now we have to their octal equivalent in the table. You have to look now. Now you have to look their octal equivalent, means that table. You have seen that table, you have to look in that equivalent table. Okay students, now we will solve the sums, solve the conversion. Now see, 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1. Okay. Now see, now we will see the chart. Okay. See now, 0 1 1 0 1 1. See here, where is 0 1 1? 0 1 1 is in third group. So afterward 0 1 1 is in third group. Then 1 1 0 is in sixth group. Afterwards 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 is again third group. Then 0 0 1 is first group. Okay, then you have to write here 011 is in third group, 110 is in sixth group, 011 is in again third group, and 011 001 is in first group. Like this your equivalent will there. Now octal equivalent is, what is your octal equivalent? Octal equivalent is 363631 base 8. Okay students, 3638 is 3631 is your octal equivalent. Now see students, we will study decimal number to octal number conversion. When converting decimal to octal, all the steps are similar. To the steps as in decimal to binary conversion, except for the change in the radix from 2 to 8. We have seen binary we have divided by 2. Now in this decimal number we will divide by 8. Since here the target number system is octal number system, we will divide this by 8. Now see students, one example we will see. Suppose convert 130 base 10 into its octal equivalent. Now see which is the decimal number. Solution. Which is our decimal number is 130. It is decimal number. Now what you have to do? We have to divide this by 8. 130 decimal number be divided by 8 and converts into its octal equivalent. Okay students, now see we will start converting. See 130 divided by 8. Students see 130 divided by 8 means how many? 60. Remainder is 2. Now 16 divided by 8. How many remains? 16 divided by 8 means 2. Means remainder is 0. And this 2 is as it is, means 2. Now see, start from the bottom digits to upward. How you will write? Like this: 2 0 2 base 8, and the octal equivalent of 130 base 10 is 202 base 8. Like this sum. Now we will see another example. Now see students, convert 83 base 10 into its octal equivalent. Now see students, solution. 83 is decimal number. Now see here, we will divide this. 83 divided by 8. 83 divided by 8 means how many? 10. And remaining 3 will go outside. Remainder is 3. Then 10 divided by 8. 10 divided by 8. Remaining 1. Now, and remainder is 2. And 1 as it is 1. So see students, 83 base 10 is equal to, from downside you have to go upward. So 1, 2, 3 base 8. Like this you have to do. Now see students, octal number to decimal number conversion. What we have to do? Octal number to decimal number conversion. In this case, the 2's will be replaced by 8. What we have to do? We have to replace by 8. 2's will be replaced by 8. Now see, one example we will take. Convert 1 to 3. Base is 8 to its decimal equivalent. Now see solution. What is our octal number? Octal number is 1, 2, 3. Now see here, means 1 into 8 square plus 2 into 8 raised to 1 plus 3 into 8 raised to 0 means what? 8 square means 64 plus 2 into 8 means 16 plus 3 into 8 raised to 0. 8 raised to 0 means it will be 3 is equal to, now see, 64 plus 16, 80 plus 3 means 83 raised to, base is 10. Now see, hence the decimal equivalent of 1, 2, 3 base 8 is 83 base 10. This is what we have taken. We have taken 1 into 8 square, 8 raised to 2 plus 2 into 8, 1 plus 3 into 8 is equal to 8, 0 means what? 8 square 64 plus 2 into 8 plus 16 as 3 as it is. Now see students, another example I will show you. Convert 202 base 8 to its decimal equivalent. Okay student, what we have to convert 202 base 8 to its decimal equivalent. Now see solution. Octal number is 202. Now see 2 into 8 square plus 0 into 8 raised to 1 plus 2 into 8 raised to 0. Okay students, now see here 2 into 8 square, 2 into 8 square means 64 into 2, 64 into 2, 8 square means 64 into 2 means 128. Okay, plus 0 into 8 raised to 1 means 0 as it is, 0, plus 2 into 8 raised to 0 means raised to 0 means it will become 1, means 1 into 2 means 2 is equal to 128 plus 2 means 130 base 10. Like this we have to do. Hence the decimal equivalent of 202 base 8 is 130 base 10. Now see students, hexadecimal number system. This chart is very important for you to solving the conversion. With the help of this chart you will solve the conversion, and this is octal number system chart. This chart also help you to solve the conversion of octal number system. These two charts are very important for you. You have to look this chart and solve the conversion. Now we will see in hexadecimal. In hexadecimal number system, in hexadecimal number you have to make 4-digit group. What you have to do in hexadecimal number system, you have to make 4 digits group. Now we will take one example students. One example we will solve a 4-digit group. Now see, convert 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 base 2 2 its hexadecimal equivalent. Okay, what you have to do, you have to convert 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 base 2 to its hexadecimal equivalent. Now see solution. First of all we will write the groups. Okay students, what you have to do, you have to take 4-digit group. First of all we will write the groups 1 0 0, again 1 1 1 0. Now what happened here students, now what happened here, 1 0 we have to add. Now see here, these are 4 digits, these are 4 digits, and these are 3 digits. Now what you have to do, you have to add 4 digits number here. Now see, as in binary to octal conversion, add as many zeros as needed to make 4 digit number. Okay, now see here 4 digit number and here only 3. And what you have to do, you have to make 4 digit group. Then we have to put 0 here, left hand side we have to put 1 0. Now see, now look students, for their hexadecimal value. Okay, now see here, now we will write this group. You have to put left hand side 0. For what? For making 4 digit number. Now see 0 1 0 0 and 1 1 1 0. Now it is 4 digit number. Now see what you have to do. Now search the number in hexadecimal number system. Now 0100. Now see in hexadecimal, where is this number 0100? Where is this number? In fourth group. See here on fourth group 0100. Now we will write here fourth. In which group? 0100 is in fourth group. So I have written here 4. Now see 1110. Where it is? 1110. Now see, it is in E group. 1110. It is in E group. So I will write here E. Okay. Understand? You have to search in hexadecimal number system where this number is put. You have to write here that number where the values are given. Now see here is equal to, I have written here 4E. Okay, 4E base 16. Okay, in hexadecimal we have taken base 16. Hence, now see here student, hence the hexadecimal equivalent of 100110, we have removed this 0, is base 2 is 4E base 16. Like this you have to search in that chart. Hexadecimal number system, you have to search this number. Okay student, like this your solution will come. This is your solution 4E. Now see students, hexadecimal number to binary number conversion. What you have to do? Hexadecimal number to binary number conversion. Just see one example. This conversion you have to solve with the help of that hexadecimal number system chart. You have to take the help of that chart. That chart is very important for you. Now see, convert 4AF2, okay, base 16 to its binary equivalent. Okay, what you have to convert with the help of that chart? 4AF2 16 base 16 to its binary equivalent. You have to convert this. Now see this students, solution how to convert. First of all you have to write the digits. Okay, suppose 4 A F and 2, that digits written. Now what you have to do? Now write down the 4-bit number. You have to write the 4-bit number you have to write from the conversion table. From the conversion table of hexadecimal from the hexadecimal number system chart you have to write this 4-digit number. Now see here, hexadecimal number our hexadecimal number. See, this is hexadecimal number. Which is our hexadecimal number? 4 A F and 2. This is our hexadecimal number, students. Okay, now we have to take the help of the hexadecimal chart. Okay, now see here, now 4, what is the value of 4? See here, what is the value of 4, students? 0 1 0 0. Now write this value here, 0 1 0 0. Okay, now see A. What is the value of A in the chart? 1 0 1 0. What is the value of A? 1 0 1 0. So put the value here, 1 0 1 0, like that. F. Okay, now see what is the value of F? 1 1 1 1. Now write the value here, 1 1 1 1. Okay, now like that 2, you have to do 2. What is the value of 2? 0 0 1 0. See here, 0 0 1 0. So put here 0 0 1 0. Okay, now see, hence the binary equivalent of 4AF2 base 16 is, you have to write this number. Okay, 0 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 0. Okay, like this you have to solve this sum with the help of that hexadecimal number system chart. You have to see that chart and solve the example. Now see next point, student, octal number to hexadecimal number conversion. Now we have seen octal number to hexadecimal number conversion. Now we will take one example. Convert 3 4 5 base 8 to its hexadecimal equivalent. 3 4 5, this number you have to its hexadecimal equivalent you have to convert. Now see, students, solution, how to convert this. First convert the octal number. What you have to do? First convert for converting octal number into hexadecimal, then first convert the octal number. Now first convert the octal number into its binary equivalent. This is binary equivalent. Okay. First convert the octal number into its binary equivalent. You have to convert in binary equivalent. So I will write first of all our octal number. Octal. Okay. What is our octal? 3, 4, 5. This is our octal number. Now see here. I will write binary now here. Binary. I will write binary number. Now see students. See, what is the binary number of 3? Now see here, what is the binary number of 3? 0, 1, 1. 0, 0, 1, 1. Okay, by the help of octal number system chart, you have to put that number. Now 4. Now see, what is the value of 4? 1, 0, 0. Okay. Now write here 1, 0, 0. Now 5. Now see what is the value of 5? It's 1, 0, 1. By the help of octal number system chart. What is the value of 5? 1, 0, 1. Now you have to write this number full. 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. Base 2. Okay student. Like this you have to do. You have to search the binary number. Octal number is 3, 4, 5. Then you have to write the binary number. You have to search in octal number system chart. Okay. Now see, after this, now convert this binary number. After this, now convert this binary number into its hexadecimal equivalent. Hexadecimal equivalent by forming pair of 4 digit. What you have to do? You have to form 4 digit number. 4 digits. Okay. Now convert this binary number. This is a binary number. This is what? This is a binary number. This we have solved. This is a binary number. You have to into its hexadecimal equivalent by forming 4 digit pair. Now see, add 3 zeros. 3 zeros. Okay. Now see here, we will start this 4 digits number we have to form. So see here 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. This is first group. Then 1, 1, 1, 0. This is second group. And 0, 1, 0, 1. This is third group. Okay students. Now see here, we will see what we have convert. We have convert this binary number. This binary number we have convert in 4 digit number. We want 4 digit number. See here, we have added 3 zeros here. Added 3 zeros here. This is 1 0 only. What you have to do? You have to add 3 zeros more. We have to make 4 digit number. 4 digit number pair we have to make. Now see here, this 0, 0, 0 in which group it is? See here, all 4 zeros are in 0th group. So we will write here 0. Okay. Now 3 1 1 1 0. In which group? This is in 1 1 1 1 0. It is in E group. Okay. So I have written here E. Okay. 1 1 1 0. This is in E group in hexadecimal number system. Now see 0 1 0 1. It is in 0 1 0 1. It is in fifth group. 0 1 0 1. You have to write here. Here it is in fifth group. Okay, 0 1. Now see here. Hence the hexadecimal equivalent of 3 4 5 base F is E5. Okay, is E5 base 60. Okay, like this you have to convert from the help of that hexadecimal and octal number chart with the help of both chart. That both chart are very important for you. Like this you have to convert. Okay, these two charts are very important for you. By the help of these two charts, this problem we have, this conversion we have solved. First of all, we have taken binary conversion we have solved. Then we have converted that into hexadecimal equivalent to form 4-digit pair. 4-digit pair we have formed. Here only 1 0 is there. We have added 3 zeros. We have, for what we have to take 4-digit number, so we have added 3 0. Then these 4-digit numbers are formed. Then we have put this value in that group.